Yo, bro, so check it out. This is a video of a crash, but looking at it, I can't see what it was that went wrong. If you could spot the mistake that got made, let me know what it was down in the comments. Also, if you can understand what God said at the end of the video, translate it and let me know down in the comments. Smash that like button and hit subscribe for more videos. Enjoy this upcoming part. Peace. It's a good fucking video though, I'll tell you that.
Hey. Are you okay, bro?
Yeah.
I see you landing now, you landing over here. Right.
Oh, that was a good one, eh?
Wow. You hit him more this side, huh?
Huh?
You hit him this side.
Yeah, that's gonna be a heck of a video. I was recording. Oh. Sí, di un vergazón, nomás que me da vergüenza.
Pero ¿dónde pegaste en el hombro o dónde?
Como